In today's video, I am sharing my face and head massage routine that increases hair growth, improves blood circulation and keeps the skin glowing. If you are looking for hair growth and to improve blood circulation, this video is right for you. I will be guiding you through a step-by-step procedure on how I incorporate these massages in my weekend routine for glowing skin and longer hair. So grab your favorite oils and let's dive right in. For an oil massage, take any brand hair oil. I'm using Parachute's coconut oil. Warm it up on a medium flame for 1 minute. Warming the oil enhances its effectiveness. It also helps the oil to penetrate into your scalp better, enhancing its nourishing properties. Section your hair using a wooden comb. Dip a cotton ball into the oil. Apply the oil on the section. Make sure to cover every section of your scalp with the oil. Using your fingertips, begin massaging your scalp in circular motions. This helps to increase the blood circulation, nourish the hair follicle and relieve stress. Repeat this for 5 times on each section. Now apply the oil on the crown region. To find the crown, first place your index finger at the tip of your nose. This is your starting point. Next, move your fingers straight up along the center of your face, passing over the bridge of your nose and up to your forehead. Continue moving your finger upwards, keeping it centered until you reach the top of your head. Once your finger reaches the highest point on the top of your head, that is your crown. Now take some oil. Rub it between your palms. Press your palms gently on the crown region. Repeat it for 5 times. Now run your fingers on your scalp. This increases blood flow, brings more nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. Stress is a common cause of hair loss. Relaxation and stress relief comes with a good scalp massage. And by reducing stress, you are indirectly supporting better hair health. Consistent oil massages lead to thicker, stronger and longer hair. Gently apply the oil around the back of your ears. Move your fingers in an up and down motion along the groove behind your ears. This technique increases blood flow, helps to relax any tension in that area. This area is often overlooked, but it is crucial for stimulating blood flow to the scalp. Repeat it for 5 times for each ear. Massage the back of your neck using upward strokes. Regular neck massages like this can support hair growth by improving blood flow to the scalp. It also reduces stress and enhancing overall hair health. Repeat 5 times. Now flip your hair upside down. This position naturally increases blood flow to the scalp. Run your fingers through it. Repeat it for 5 times. Put a bun and let the hair oil soak for 1 hour. Apply few drops of face oil. Face oil provides the necessary lubrication to ensure smooth movements during the massage. It also nourishes and hydrates the skin, making it feel soft and supple. For a sculpted face, start from the cheekbones and lift the skin towards the temples. This technique enhances the natural contours of your face. Also, massaging the cheekbones to the temples further enhance the lifting effect. Repeat 5 times. Next, massage your ears. This often overlooked area holds a lot of massaging points. So gently massage in circular motions. Repeat 5 times. Now, using all 4 fingers of both hands, lift your cheeks in an upward direction. This helps to lift and firm the skin. Repeat 5 times. On the forehead, use the tips of 3 fingers, starting from the center and sliding outwards and towards your temples. This smoothens fine lines and wrinkles. Repeat 5 times. Next, using your ring finger, start from the inner corner of your eyes and slide to the outer corners. This helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Repeat 5 times. Now, perform the same motion on your eyelids as well. Repeat 5 times. Using 4 fingers of both hands, perform a zigzag motion vertically across your forehead. This helps to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Repeat 5 times. On the jawline, use upward strokes towards your ears. This lifting technique helps to define and tone the jawline. Repeat 5 times. Use upward motions to massage the neck area, promoting firmness and lifting. Repeat 5 times. Finally, finish off by tapping your fingers all over your face. This increases blood circulation and gives your skin a healthy glow. I hope you're feeling wonderful with your skin looking sculpted and lifted and your scalp feeling refreshed for a healthy hair growth. If you enjoyed this pampering session, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from dull skin and hair fall so that it will be useful for them too. Until then, next time, take care.